How to delete Xbox account. For this, open your xbox.com. Then once you do that, go ahead and tap on your profile icon, which is at the very top. Here you will see my Microsoft account. Go ahead and tap on it. Then again tap on your profile icon, which is at the side. Scroll down, then tap on close account option below account info. Here again scroll down and tap on continue. Then again go ahead and scroll down and yet again tap on continue with closing your account. Another article will pop up. Again scroll down and tap on continue with closing your account. Here again you can give all of this a read and then tap on close your account. Now the next step is mostly the final step. Here you have to verify your identity, so go ahead and tap on your email. Then just enter the code that is sent to your email address, and once you do that and tap on verify, your Xbox account will be deleted. Isn't it simple? Make sure to give it a try and thank you so much for watching.